back everyone to another video from How to Genius. Friends, in today's video I will tell you that how to download and install Vidmate. Friends, so without wasting any further time, let's begin. Friends, open any browser you have, but I will recommend download Vidmate. Sorry for wrong spellings. Vidmate APK. So again wrong spelling for of them. So friends, know the Vidmate official website is available. So the Vidmate on the Play Store are all are fake. So this is the Vidmate. This is the Vidmate official website. I will provide the link in description. Go there and download. So just here click on, if you want to download for Android, just go to and click on Android. I have already downloaded, so I will cancel it, and after it download, then go to downloads and then Vidmate APK, click on it and then next install. So now it is installing. Friends, application is installed, and where we have the around done and open options. So I will just click on open. Now the Vidmate application is opened, and this is the actually Vidmate application, all movies, songs, etc. So friends, I hope you like this my video, and I hope you subscribe. You will subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and do not forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any update from How to Genius. See you next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.